Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing well. Welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix hang and restart problem in Honor X5D. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.